B. And look who's in the unicorn today, my friend Sarah.
Hey guys!
Today I have a bright idea. It's time to make up a dance.
Oh, I love dancing.
And we'll teach you how to do it.
This sounds fun.
Here's how it works. One of us makes up a dance move, and then the other person finishes the move with something that rhymes. So, if I say, leap like a cat,
Then I might say, put on your hat.
you got it? Let's try. Okay. Hands in your pants.
Dance, dance, dance.
Hands in your pants.
Dance, dance, dance.
Together. Hands in your pants. Dance, dance, dance. Hands in your pants. Dance, dance, dance. I got one.
Shake, shake your horn.
Like a unicorn.
Shake, shake your horn.
Like a unicorn.
Together. Shake, shake your horn like a unicorn. Shake, shake your horn like a unicorn.
How about this? Making some lunch.
Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Yes. Make some lunch.
Crunch, crunch, crunch.
Together.
Making some lunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Making some lunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Try this. Take off your shoe.
L-P-U.
Take off your shoe.
L-P-U. Together.
Take off your shoe. L-P-U. Take off your shoe. L-P-U.
Now, let's put it all together.
Hands in your pants. Dance, dance, dance. Shake, shake your horn like a unicorn. Making some lunch. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Take off your shoe. L-P-U.
Dancing is so much fun, especially when you move in a way that shows you being you. Remember, be bold,
Be you and be unicorn. See ya!
Hey everyone, Marvy here. Wasn't that video great? I wish we could watch another. Ooh, I guess we can. Just click here to watch the next video. Could you click it for me? Go ahead.